This is for Attila. I'm not using a microphone. I'm just talking into the GoPro for a second. Where's my little stand? This will work. Connect your GoPro to the app. That's the first thing you do. And then this is normally where you would like take a picture or hit the, to record with. You take that and actually just slide it to the side. I took screenshots, so these are all going to be screenshots for you. When you actually slide that to the side, there's going to be a little live, but it says live. You hit setup live, but first, before you click that, make sure at the bottom you chose Facebook, because it'll say YouTube or whatever. Then the next screen pops up and it says live stream to Facebook. You click that. It goes to this screen which says allow Facebook Live. You just say allow. And then log into the whatever Facebook you want to. I have multiple Facebooks as well, so make sure you log into the correct one. And then it brings you up to the set up the live stream screen, okay? And I always do 720. I don't know if it's limited to that. It just streams better that way. You can hit save a copy to my SD card. I've never gotten that to work because I'm using a 7 Black. And this time I was logged into my John Brooks account. And then when you hit that set up live stream, it'll take a second, and then this screen comes up. And this is where you hit go live. As soon as you hit go live, you will be live, and your camera should say ready. Now I'm talking about I don't know how the 360 works because I have a different type of 360, but that's how you would do it. You would hit go live and that's it. It'll start streaming directly to Facebook. And that's about it. The hard part that I found, I can't remember when it's streaming on Facebook if you can see comments. I can't remember. It will be streaming directly to Facebook though. So that's how you do it. It's very simple.